welcome back to my channel. My name is Toby. I'm a braider based in Kwara State, Nigeria, and in today's video we are going to be doing this gorgeous braids on myself. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you how I made this. So if you would like to see how I transformed from this to this, then keep on watching. I'm going to be starting off with freshly washed hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead to use my oil to massage and moisturize my scalp. I'm using the Avila hair volume oil, which contains ginseng oil and 25 or 26 other plant oils. And as I go, I'm just sectioning it and then using the oil in each sections, and then I massage it with my hand. When I'm done oiling my scalp, I just go ahead to moisturize my hair using the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker, which I use as my leave-in conditioner. So I just do that to like moisturize my hair so it's not dry and then it's easy to like work with. When I'm done doing that, I go ahead to massage my scalp using the scalp massager. It is an electronic scalp massager. It is very relieving and relaxing, and it helps blood flow through the hair follicles to boost hair growth. So I'm just going to keep on massaging my scalp, and as you can see from my expression, I am really enjoying this. Like, I was feeling like I was in another planet when I finished massaging my scalp. So yeah, when I'm done doing that, I'm just going to section my hair into two, the front section and the back section. So for the front section, I'm just going to be doing the stitches in front, and then for the back part of my hair, I'm going to be doing braids so I can crochet my extension in. So I'm just going to let you keep watching, and when I have something else to say, I'll just come back here to tell you guys. So now that we are done parting, I'm going to move ahead to the back section of the hair, which we are going to be crocheting. But I'm going to be doing individual braids instead of the usual cornrow, just to make it really beginner friendly. I don't have a mirror at the back of my head, so I really can't see it, so I just decided to do that. After that, I just pinned the braids just to make it flat and make it easy for me to like crochet in. And that's basically all that I'm going to be doing. Now into the crocheting process, I am going to be using normal attachments like braiding extension that I just called. Then I'm going to moisturize it with my leave-in conditioner just to make it easy to work with and like separate, as you can see. To crochet, I'm just going to open the large hook as you can see in the video, and then I'm going to put it in my hair inside the braids. Then I'm going to put the extension into the latch hook that is already open, close it, and then pull it out. Then the part that is pulled out, I put it back into the braids, like into the extension rather, and then I just pull it out. It's really better for you to see it than for me to explain, so I'm just going to let you watch it again. I open the latch hook, put it into my hair, then add the extension, close the latch hook, pull it out, and then put the other side of the extension into the latch hook and then pull it out again. You can do it 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times. I just kept going. I was not really going with a particular pattern, but either way really works. And yeah, this is the full part of the hair. I just went ahead to do off camera. Now I want to do the upper side of the hair, and for this part we're going to be making it an illusion crochet. So yeah, I am just going to go ahead to explain it again, but for this part it's going to be a little different than the one I used at the back. So I put the latch hook into my hair, put the extension, and then this time instead of taking 2 parts of the hair, I'm going to be removing just 1 part of the hair. Just 1 part of the extension is going to be out of the latch hook. Now to make an illusion, I'm just going to brush the hair down using a small tooth comb. I'm just going to keep like combing it downwards as long as possible. There's really no timed thing here. Just keep doing it until you feel like it is not looking like crochet anymore. So that's basically what I kept doing throughout this process, and then I'll show you the end result in a minute. So yeah, this is the end result of the crochet side, and as you can see, it's really not looking like crochet at the top side. Now we're going to get into the braiding process, and again I'm going to moisturize my hair using a leave-in. Then I'm going to go ahead to part the hair and then use my shine and jam to I'm going to put the shine and jam into the parts that are already parted, and then I'm going to comb it out, and we'll be getting into the most important part of this video. We're going to part out the first section of the hair. We're going to be doing it into smaller chunks, and then that first section we're going to put it away. Now we're going to part it again. We're basically just going to be parting throughout the line of that line that we have planned to use for the stitch braids. We're just going to be parting it into small pieces. Now we have to make sure that your hair is well saturated with shine and jam or any braiding jam that you want to use. Now we're going to make sure the part is also very straight. Then we'll just part down, make sure the part is straight, and then we braid. That's all we're going to be doing for this part of the stitch. This is what is going to make the stitch clean and very easy. Part down the part of the hair that you've already planned for the stitch, then braid it down. Make sure the parting is very straight. I cannot stress this enough. Make sure the parting is straight. So that's basically all I'm going to be doing for this process, and this is how mine is looking. I make sure that my parts are the same size and they are small as well. So I'm just going to do it again for this section of the braids. I've already gone ahead to make the other section, so I'm just going to do this one again. We're going to part the front, take it out, then part again. Make sure the part is straight. Make sure the parting is straight, and then braid down. That's all. Part the front side, put it away, then keep parting till the end of the sectioned part that you've the parts that you've already sectioned out for your stitch braids. That's all I'm going to be doing for this part, and it is very easy. The fact that you don't have to stress yourself to get your stitches right. The stitches are already in place. All you just have to do when you are feeding in your extension is basically to just pick the individual braids and move on. Now we're going to be getting into the feeding in process, and that first part that we did not braid, that's going to be our base. You're going to be starting your hair off by braiding that part, and then you're going to start feeding it in. Now for my feeding in process, I just pick a tiny bit of extension, put it into my pinky finger to hold it down, and then the other part is just put outside. Then I'm going to pick the small section of the braid and then release the extension that I already put in my pinky finger, and then put it back into the braiding hair, into the hair that I'm already feeding in. I'm just going to let you watch because I feel like watching is more important than me telling you how it is done. Now that I'm done with the braiding process, I just went ahead to dip the braids in hot water off camera, and now I'm just using mousse to just define the curls of the extension that I used. As I said earlier, it's just braiding extension that I used and just curled. So this hair is prone to tangle, but all you have to do to just minimize the frizz and the tangle is to use mousse. Any type of mousse that I use is perfect. I just went ahead to also put mousse on the braids, and now I'm just trying to lay my edges, and I'm using the got to be glued in the black bottle to lay my edges, and this thing holds. I either use the got to be glued or I use mousse to lay my edges, and both of them are perfect to get that perfect edges that would stay forever. Like, I don't even want to exaggerate, but you should try it out as well. So I just went ahead to use a satin scarf to tie my hair, and then I am using a blow dryer to set the mousse in. So yeah, this is the final result. I love how it came out. It is giving beautiful, it is giving classy, it is giving vacation, it is giving rich girl vibes. Listen, this thing it made me so happy when I was done doing it, and I was like, oh my goodness, this looks so good. I also styled it in different ways, that you can just style it to make it look good. And see the stitches. Like, how would you tell someone that you did this yourself and they would believe you? I mean, look at this. Look at how beautiful it is looking. If you watched to this part, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notification if you end up enjoying the video. And don't forget to share to your loved ones or your brother or anyone. And let me know if you try it out. Till next time, have a great day, you guys.